Do you think you could possibly make some money just by drawing lines and making clicks? Well, today's video is about that. I am going to show you that that's not only possible, but I'm also going to show you how you can maximize it. It is possible for you to make some good money, and I'm talking anywhere between $5 to $25 on a daily just by drawing lines and making clicks. If you're interested in content like this and methods like this, please be sure to give this video a like, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell just so that you can be notified whenever I put up videos like this. Okay, without wasting any much of your time, let's get straight into it. So if we go on a site, like fiverr.com and for a job like photo background removal, you're going to see that there are lots of people on the site who are doing this. Some of them are even currently online. This person says, I will export Photoshop editing and bulk photos. I will photo edit background. I will do background removal. $5, $5, $5, $10, $20, $15, $5. Like, the list is endless. Okay guys, stay with me, stick with me, don't be in a hurry to get out of this video, because if you do, I promise you one thing, you will miss important steps that can help you maximize this method. Okay, so what if we go on a site like people per hour? This is another outsourcing site that I actually prefer 100 times over Fiverr. For me, it's way better, but to each his own anyways. And then we search for the same kind of job. What you see here is there are also people on the site doing the same job, but at a higher rate. And trust me when I tell you that people are buying from them. This person says, I'm going to cut background removal for 100 photos at $50. This person is doing 30 photos at $15. This person is doing $10. This person is going for $10, $15, $10, $25, $10, $10, $15, $10, $10. What's my point? You can learn to do this kind of job without spending any single time trying to figure out how the Photoshop software works. If you know nothing about photo editing, you know nothing about graphics, you still can be able to brand yourself as a professional photo background removal. Stick with me guys, don't be in a hurry to leave. I'm going to show you a software, two softwares rather, that are going to be able to help you to maximize this, even as a beginner, even as someone who knows nothing about graphics and photo editing. It is so simple. Anyone can do it. A 10-year-old can do it. An 85-year-old person can do it. Stick with me guys, okay? So if we go on a website called clippingmagic.com. Okay, before I go further, let me explain something here. I could have easily gotten on my laptop and made this video from there, but the reason I'm doing this on my mobile device is to show to you guys that this is a very easy to do method, because it is one that doesn't require you to sit all day in front of your laptop or your desktop to get the job done. You could be anywhere, like literally anywhere, doing anything at any hour of the day. So long as you're with your mobile device, you'd be getting this job done and you'd be getting paid. Okay guys, so we're here on Clipping Magic and I'm going to show you how this website works. Okay, this website works with artificial intelligence. It helps you edit photos without knowing anything about graphics, all you have to do is log in or create a free account, and after that has been done, you click on upload. If you're doing this through your laptop, all you have to do is use the drag and drop method, or go straight ahead and click on upload. So let's assume, what picture am I going to use now? Let's say I want to remove the background on this pretty picture of a little human being. All I have to do is upload that, wait for it to initialize, and then you see the magic happen. Okay, as you can see, there's a cut line around the images. That's telling you that that's the part of the image that will be kept when the editing is done. You could go straight ahead and download this because it's already done for you. As you can see, the auto clip button is on. If I turn that off, the cut line goes, and I will have to do the editing myself by drawing lines. That's why I tagged this video "Earn money by drawing lines or making clicks." You could just decide to go the easy way and make clicks and download your image, or you unselect the auto clip button, tap on the red button there, and draw a line. This red button indicates the red line indicates segments of your photo you do not want to keep. If you tap on preview, you see that the segments you do not want to keep would have cleared out, and then you draw a green over this indicating the segments that you want to keep. Okay, but you have to be really careful here and pay attention so that you do not cut out areas you actually want to keep. Okay, and if you think you made a mistake, you come back here, use the eraser, erase the segment of that, tap on preview again. No, I don't like what I just did. You go back, tap on the green, select again, tap on the red, and you just keep doing that. Tap on preview until you get the dimensions you're actually looking for. But truth be told, man, I don't go through all of that. I just use the auto clip button. Okay, so let's clear all of this. Let's erase it. See how easy and sweet it is to use the software. Let's erase all of that. I go for the auto clip, tap on preview, and look at it. Oh yeah, I like how it looks. Another beautiful thing about this software is you could change the background, like the colors or whatever. Say we want it to be white, it becomes entirely white. If we want it to be gray, it turns to gray, black, green, like that. So you see how cool this image is. Okay, so let's keep it at neutral, and then you'll be getting a photo that entirely has no background. All right, after you've done that, what you want to do is click on download, and your results gets downloaded into your mobile device or your laptop, depending on whichever you're using. Okay, there's another platform I'm going to show you that helps you do this, and that's called, this is actually my best, this is the one that I use. I for some reason prefer this to Clipping Magic, but Clipping Magic is also cool. So you go on remove.bg, and same thing you want to do, upload your image. What image should we go for now? As you can see, I've already edited that one. Let's use the image of this peanut. I actually saved it because I was having a mad peanut craving. You know, you could do this for any image, anything at all, clothes, shoes, bags, and then you'd be wondering, like, why would anyone want to pay up to $10 and even $25 to get this done? What you need to realize is there are people who create businesses every day online, like the e-commerce industry is currently booming. In fact, has always been booming, and people will need people like you to do jobs like this because they simply do not have the time, or they simply do not know that they could get this done for free. So that's where you come in. You brand yourself as a photo background remover without having any pre-knowledge of how to use an editing tool like Photoshop, okay, because you have this all done for you. All right, so this is the image of my peanuts, my boiled peanuts, before I uploaded it on remove.bg, and this is it afterwards. If I do not like how it looks, I could still go in and edit. Okay, this is how simple and beautiful. This is crazy, guys, and you have to actually try this method. All you have to do, like I showed you, is to go on any of these platforms. You could actually use Upwork as well. You could use Freelancer, People Per Hour. And if I were you, I was going to sign up on all of these platforms at the same time, branding myself as a photo background remover just to maximize my profit. You could actually extend it to your social media platforms. Brand yourself as a photo background remover, even on your Facebook account. Okay, guys, this is how sweet and easy it is to use. I'm going to be leaving all the links to the sources I mentioned in the description of this video, just so that you don't have any difficulties finding them. And I do advise you to take action, guys, because nothing works on its own unless you do. Take action, get signed up on People Per Hour, especially sign up on Fiverr, sign up on Upwork, sign up on Freelancer, sign up on Craigslist. The list is endless, guys, and I'll be linking all of that below this video. Take advantage of this and make this work for yourselves. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to share, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Until I make another video, see ya.